Hey everybody, so today we're working on this absolutely gorgeous 1956 Chevy. It hasn't even been on the road since it's been done. It's just crippled with wiring issues and other stuff, mainly wiring issues. But I want to show you guys, for those of you who do stuff at home, not trying to insult anybody's intelligence, but if you use, let's get it to focus here, these style crimps. And then, not only do you use these, but you use those absolutely cheap crimpers, it doesn't work. You need to buy some of these. They are solder connectors. They work fantastically. My camera does not want to focus, but you need to use these, especially on ignition wiring. This is not acceptable.